Carpets and rugs often come as an afterthought in many homeowners' designing processes, typically resulting in two common interior decorating mistakes, where a chosen rug is either too small or too big for a given room. Finding and selecting a right rug can dramatically alter room's overall look. To help you master carpet styling, here is our breakdown on how to make look room bigger with rugs and carpets. Working with limited dimensions doesn't mean limited selection of rugs. There are rugs available in different sizes, shapes, and if necessary, they can also be customized. The aesthetics of the small room can be elevated without suffocating it by choosing the right rug size scaled to a room and placed strategically to the arrangement of furniture. The illusion of a bigger space in a smaller room is created by a certain amount of floor being visible around the edge of the room. Line the furniture proportionally along the wall and place the rug inches away and under the front leg. The subtle break between the floor and the wall space creates a better proportion and an illusion of depth. Open living spaces calls for large size carpets to adequately anchor a room. The trick to styling open plan rooms is to strike a happy balance so that a rug is large enough to become focal point of one area and yet small enough to not overwhelm the space. The best approach to divide and compartmentalize the different rooms in an open plan space is to have a rug with ample surface area for all your furniture to sit on. For instance, separate your living room from rest of the space by placing a sizable rug which helps defining and ground your living. Keep in mind, in an open plan room, do not keep multiple smaller rugs to avoid the crowded look and feel. There is a common misconception that the rooms with little to no furniture, like hallways, means only smaller size rugs can be used. The trick to make the space look bigger is to find the perfect long runner. This will visually elongate the area. Just make sure to leave the floor spaces around the edges. We recommend the custom made sizes for such areas. Now go forth, use our tips and tricks to make your room feel bigger with just rugs and carpets. Stay tuned for more.